In this video, I will show you how to hide individual chats and hide them by using a secret pin. Now, in order for you to actually do this, you are going to be needing the latest version of WhatsApp. So if you haven't updated your WhatsApp, make sure to go and update your WhatsApp before you follow the instructions that I'm going to be revealing in this video. And if you have any questions, do make sure to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your WhatsApp app and then locate any chats that you like to lock and hide. Once you've located that chat, just hold down on the chat. Once you hold down on that chat, you are going to see a three dot icon at the top. Click on it and then click on lock chat. Then click on continue and insert your fingerprint or your phone password to actually lock this chat. Now, once you've done this, you observe that there's now a new lock chat tab at the top of your WhatsApp. So you can actually access this lock chat by just imputing your fingerprint or your phone password. But this is actually the first step. So the main step now is for us to actually hide this section, like totally hide it by using a secret pin. So in order for us to do this, we are going to need to click on this three dot icon once you are inside the lock chat folder. So just click on this three dot icon, click on your chat lock settings, and then now you see this hide lock chats at the top. So you need to turn it on. So once you turn it on, it's going to tell you that you have to create a secret code. So just click on it and then input any secret code in here. So I normally like to use normal digits for mine. So once you've actually inserted your secret code, confirm that secret code and then click on done. So once you've done this, just close your WhatsApp and then come back into your WhatsApp. Now you see that your lock chat folder is no longer visible. It's totally hidden. So whenever people come to your WhatsApp, they will feel like you don't have any lock chat because they can't see anything in here. But the only way you can actually see it is by clicking on this search icon. You see a search icon at the top. Once you click on it, just impute that your secret pin. Once you input your secret pin, you see that the lock chat folder, or rather the tab, will suddenly just appear out of nowhere. So once it's appear, you can actually click on it, and now you'll be able to access your lock chat. So that's just how it works. So if you're actually thinking about hiding your chats, or rather hiding your lock chats, this is the perfect way for you to actually do this. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos, or you might be seeing some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have any free time, you can actually watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.